Marktech Porta model. Specification: Laser type 20W 30W 50W. Laser power 175 175 mm 150 150 mm. Device marking area 200 200 m to 50 to 50 mm. Laser source Racus Max 6. Laser head Sino Falvo with auto. Laser repetition frequency 20 kHz 80 kHz. Laser wavelength 1064 mm. Laser marking speed 7000 meters per second. Minimum line width 0.01 mm. Minimum character 0.15 mm. Laser module life 100000. Cooling mode in build air cooling. Power input to 20V 50 Hz, single phase. Laser marking software is CAD Professional Marktech marking software. Graphic format PMP, JPG, GIF, PNG, DXF. System operation environment Windows XP 7 with 32-bit, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Contact: marktechmarking@gmail.com, akashbansal@hotmail.com. Contact number: 9354400035. Thank you for watching this video.